girls, welcome to Jam with Kicha. Strictly for kids. Today we're going to do some more unboxing. So yesterday I had got this package. It's a today haul and I just can't wait. But one thing, this has been really heavily packaged. So this was packaged by Blue Dart. It's fully yellow. So let's see. Wait a minute. Oh my god! It's SpongeBob's birthday! All of you SpongeBob fans, it's SpongeBob's birthday! And there is some box coming with it. This is from Nick HD. So I think there are some goodies inside. So let's see. More packaging. Whoa! This looks cool. So here we have a bag. So this is small. I think it's a baby bag. But I think I'll keep it. I'll cuddle with it at night. So soft. And that was SpongeBob. So why wouldn't I hug it? Here we have a zipper. Whoa. On the zipper there's a ball connected to it. Let's open it. Here we have a normal bag. You can put when you're, maybe if you're like 3 to 4 years old, you could put all your books and all of your play stuff and you can put it in here. Or when you're going for a tour, you can put everything in. Close the bag and go out for your tour. And while you're sleeping, you can hug it. There's one more zip. Oh, that's hidden. So here's a small extra area if all your stuff doesn't fit. Here we have the SpongeBob bag, which is really soft. Nickelodeon, you've made the softest bag I've ever seen. Here we have a small card from SpongeBob. We have a small card from SpongeBob. It's my 20th birthday. So I'm making this the best year ever by sending across these SpongeBobastic goodies. So happy birthday to you, SpongeBob. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear SpongeBob. Happy birthday to you. I love you. SpongeBob has been like a child's dream. So next we have a toothbrush. Over here you can see the characters under a glass. And here says dentists recommend changing your toothbrush every 3 months. So every 3 months you should also change your toothbrush. So this looks pretty cool. It's a standard toothbrush with a little bit of SpongeBob magic. Next we have the water bottle. Oh yeah, this is it. My guess was correct. Small general knowledge. This doesn't allow any bacteria or any virus to get into inside the water bottle. It doesn't give it moisture. It doesn't allow it to give moisture. So this is silicone gel. You're not supposed to eat it. Here we have a SpongeBob SquarePants water bottle. Here's a Nickelodeon, and you can see SpongeBob's. And every SpongeBob lover should love this. And I'm going to take this to school. Put that aside. So here we have Aqua White SpongeBob SquarePants toothpaste. It's fluoride free. It's chill gum flavor. Here we have SpongeBob blowing a bubble, SpongeBob dancing, SpongeBob with his friend Patrick. So let's take this out. Whoa! So here we have SpongeBob. This is the chill gum flavor, and I'm going to use this. I love chill gum. I like the gum flavor, so I'll be definitely using this while I brush my teeth. And one more information. Don't worry, I brush my teeth every day. There's a snack box. There's something inside it. If you're having noodles or pasta, SpongeBob has you covered. So here we have a snack box. It has a compartment here for sauce or anything, and there's a compartment here for nails. Here we have SpongeBob with headphones. We have his house, his pet snail, and it's fully yellow as SpongeBob. One common thing. Can you guys guess what's common about all these products? Yes, it has yellow in them. What is this? Whoa, a SpongeBob cup. Now I can drink my tea and my milk in a SpongeBob style. So here you can see a funny face of SpongeBob. This package is just for SpongeBob lovers, and I love it. Why am I keeping it there? Thank you very much, Nickelodeon, for sending me this. Next, what do we have? This is a merchandise of SpongeBob SquarePants, a badge. Let's take it out. This looks amazing. Let me put it on. Yeah. I think does it fit? Does it fit? It fits. So over here we have SpongeBob making a funny face again. And SpongeBob is really funny, I'm telling you. If you've watched his episodes on Nickelodeon, the show is amazing. I love it. So this is the SpongeBob Big Birthday Blowout Kit. It has all the items for whoever. I know most of us love SpongeBob. Here we have a toothbrush, toothpaste, a cup, a snack box, a water bottle, and a bag. And what else did we have? I think we had one more item. Alright, we have the badge. I forgot about that. So this is the SpongeBob Big Birthday Blowout. I'm really happy and excited about all these items. So thank you for watching Jam with Kicha. Bye boys and girls. Happy birthday SpongeBob. Happy birthday SpongeBob. Happy birthday dear SpongeBob. Happy birthday to you.